How to log into JetBlue Travel Bank account online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to Safari. In the search bar, search for JetBlue Travel Bank login. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one, Travel Bank Login ID. It will land you on this interface. Tap on Accept all cookies. Now click on this person icon at the top right, and then click on Sign In at the top. You will be landing on this interface. In this section, what you want to do is, first of all, enter your email address, and then enter the password that you have created before. Once you are done, simply tap on Sign In, and then you will be successfully logged into your account. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log into your JetBlue Travel Bank account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.